In this video, I'll show you how to connect Cash App to DoorDash and link Cash App to your DoorDash account. This is especially helpful if you keep money in Cash App and want to use it directly to pay for DoorDash orders. By the way, if you run a business, Cash App probably isn't the best option for you, but I'll explain more about that later in the video. To start, open the DoorDash app and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main screen, tap on the Me tab, located at the bottom of the app. From there, look toward the top of the screen and tap on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, scroll down until you see the Account Settings section. Under Account Settings, tap on Payment. This is where DoorDash lets you manage all your payment methods. Next, tap on Add Payment Method. You'll now see different payment options available. From this list, select Cash App Pay. DoorDash will then ask you to confirm that you want to add Cash App as a payment method. After confirming, you'll be redirected to Cash App. At this point, you'll need to enter your Cash App PIN to authorize the connection. Once the correct PIN is entered, Cash App will link successfully with your DoorDash account. When the process is complete, you'll see Cash App Pay listed as one of your payment methods in DoorDash. You can now select it at checkout and use your Cash App balance to pay for DoorDash orders. If you ever want to remove it, you can do so anytime from the payment settings. That's all there is to it. Your Cash App is now connected to DoorDash, making it easy to pay for orders using the balance you already have. Cash App is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, Airwallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what Cash App offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed Airwallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.